Ever feel stressed trying to pack for a trip, dealing with limited space and multiple bags? We've all been there, which motivate us to create a backpack that can handle up to a week's worth of clothes and items in one bag. Our groundbreaking backpack with a built-in vacuum compression system helps you tackle your packing challenges for any trip. This backpack lets you pack smarter, reducing bulk and allowing you to carry 50% more with a capacity of up to 80 liters. This backpack isn't just for packing, it's your all-in-one travel companion. Thanks to our fully recycled, durable, and waterproof materials, it's ready for any adventure and will never let you down. Megaback compression technology makes packing a breeze, letting you cram more into the same space. First, let's check out the front pocket. It's great for keeping your essentials handy and organized: toiletry bag, headphones, and sunglasses. Plus, there's a waterproof spot for your toothbrush, toothpaste, and other wet items. Next, let's look at the odor-free and waterproof shoe compartment. This keeps the inside of your bag clean and dry. Now, moving to the back of the backpack. Here's the secure laptop compartment, perfect for your electronics and books. The side TSA-approved lock makes sure everything in the laptop compartment stays safe while you travel. Then, we've got USB and USB-C ports to keep your devices charged on the go. On the other side of the backpack, add a personal touch with a customizable luggage tag, making your backpack uniquely yours. What's more, there's an integrated waterproof holder, just right for your water bottle or umbrella. The back luggage strap makes it easy to attach your backpack to your suitcase, making travel a breeze. Thick, comfy straps ensure you can carry your load easily, even on long journeys. There's a hidden pocket on the back to keep your passport and wallet secure, but still easy to get to. Finally, let's move inside. This is where the magic happens. Our vacuum compression system is built into the main compartment. The innovative compression system reduces volume, giving you more space for your stuff. It's as simple as pack, zip, and compress. Ready for your next adventure? Get the backpack that adapts to all your needs. Order your vacuum compression backpack today at our website with special offers.